I started at this school 54 years ago. It was not a Cree Bilingual School at that time. It was a regular elementary school. Our family had just moved from Waterhen Lake First Nation, northern Saskatchewan. And there was, very few Indigenous students in this school at the time, and you definitely didn't advertise it. It's a completely different world today. These kids are all proud to be here. They belong. They have a sense that they have every opportunity in the world, and that's what education should deliver. So this school does it in spades, and we're very happy as a bank to really support them.
We're so thrilled that $100,000 is coming from the First Nations Bank on their 25th anniversary, and I think that's an important piece too, that they've chosen us to honor that milestone in their lives. That gives us an opportunity to ensure that those students have the best foot forward when they're going on in their journey in life. And we're so thrilled that they decided and determined that St. Francis was the place to be.
So glad to be a part of this funding announcement, and I love that it was made at the powwow. This is my very first Greater Saskatoon Catholic Schools powwow. The funder's contribution from First Nations Bank of Canada is going to the Elders Cultural Teaching Centre, and so that room will actually be named and honored after an elder. And so the teachings and the generosity and the honoring it carries through in so many different ways, and so that's really, really special as well.
The donation is going to be very valuable for our young people, because a lot of us were not raised in a traditional family. And if we have a cultural room with the elders coming to teach the kids about their culture and customs, I think that's going to be very valuable.
Culture is as big as language, and you need the two of them together. And having the elders embedded in the school where the kids can see that sort of wisdom and guidance is a really important part of making them feel comfortable.
And they walk into that room, they're going to feel like they belong there. And when they feel like they belong, they're going to want to learn, and they're going to be nourished with so many cultural teachings, and they'll want to perform better in the classroom. They'll become better citizens. It's endless.
We can teach them how to speak their language, or how to sing the songs, or how to use the drum, and all the ceremonies that we know that were just about taken away from us, but we can re-educate them in that.
It's really saying this is a welcoming space for you. You're welcome here, you belong here, and then education follows from that.